Deacom has enabled CCFF to grow by over 400% without requiring the purchase of any additional software, just some additional user licenses as we've grown. But even so, we have not grown our headcount by 400%. Instead, Deacom and its scalability has supported us and allowed us to span multiple manufacturing facilities, outside warehouses, EDI transactions, changes in government regulations, etc., etc., etc. Having a cloud-hosted environment was truly key to being able to operate 2 manufacturing plants simultaneously. The things that I need to operate my business, a recipe-based business, I need scalability. I need features, functions, and have unique customer requirements that not all softwares can support. And a lot of times you end up in a situation where you're trying to fit a square peg through a round hole to make software that is designed to support Boeing to work for a food manufacturer. Whereas Deacom allows us the scalability, the configurability. I'm often asked if Deacom is a good fit for process-based manufacturers. The short answer is hell yes.